is Rowan. I'm the inside sales representative here at ESPi, and today I have a short video on our Titan unboxing. Inside the Titan box, you'll find three things, the first of which is the instructions. Next, you'll find our wall wart, that's the AC to DC power supply. Then you'll find the Titan enclosure. It has a lip around the edge to keep out the elements. The Titan controller is inside. It easily slips out. There's the quick connect fittings to the ONT and your power wire. The battery slides in and it slides right back into the enclosure.